Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to know your Windows version on your PC or laptop. So this is gonna be a quick video, so let's get started. Now what you need to do on your PC, you need to click on the start icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then on these options you need to click on settings. Then settings window will open up. Now what you need to do here, just click on system. Then your display system settings will open up. So you have display color, so you need to go on your left hand option, then click on about. It's down here. Then after clicking on about, here we have device specification. When you go down, we have Windows specification. So if you want to know the version of Windows, it's here. So as you can see, I have my version is 20H2, install date, OS building, and experience. So if you want to copy and paste it wherever you want, you need to click on copy button. It's right here, and yeah, you can paste it wherever you want. So guys, basically that's how you can know the Windows version of your PC or laptop. So thank you so much for watching. If you found it useful, please leave it a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.